Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about what happens to your money if Acorns goes under. This is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and I think it's a really important one to answer. Before I get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about why I'm even addressing this topic. Acorns is a great company, and I've been a fan of their product for a long time. I think they offer a valuable service to their customers, and I believe that they're here to stay. However, it's always important to be prepared for the worst. Even the best companies can go under, and it's important to know what would happen to your money if that were to happen. So, let's get started. What happens to your money if Acorns goes under? If Acorns were to go under, your money would be safe. Acorns is a member of the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, SIPC. SIPC is a not-for-profit organization that protects investors from financial losses caused by the failure of a broker-dealer. If Acorns were to go under, SIPC would step in and protect your assets. This means that you would get back your money, up to a certain limit. The current limit is $500,000 per customer, with an additional $250,000 limit for cash claims. In addition to SIPC protection, Acorns also holds your money in segregated accounts. This means that your money is not commingled with the company's money. This helps to ensure that your money is safe in the event that Acorns were to go under. So, what should you do if you're concerned about the safety of your money? There are a few things you can do to protect yourself. First, you can diversify your investments. Don't put all of your money into one investment, including Acorns. Second, you can monitor your account regularly. Make sure that your account balance is correct and that there are no unauthorized transactions. Finally, you can contact Acorns customer service if you have any questions or concerns. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Outro. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.